What's up guys, it's Hudson with Outdoor Odysseys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to ride a ripstick. But before we get right into it, I just want to let you guys know that ripsticking, it really isn't that difficult. In fact, there are only one or two things you really need to understand and you'll pretty much be a pro. Alright, the first big thing you need to know in riding a ripstick is just how to ride around and move in general. And to do that, all you're going to do is position your lead foot, which for right footers is going to be your left foot in front, and then vice versa for left footers, your right foot in front. And in that position, you're going to do something similar to this, which in my case is just moving my left foot forward and my back foot downward simultaneously in a way where I'm propelled forward and I can keep moving around and turning whenever I want. Another way to look at it is that you're moving both sides of the ripstick in circular motions so that you start moving forward. And while it may seem like it's taking a lot of your hip, it's really just your feet, just moving them in that side-to-side motion, alternating. And just by doing that, you're going to be moving forward. And a great way to practice this is just by getting your ripstick and positioning yourself against the wall. And some people start off with their back foot, but I personally have my front foot on the ripstick, and I give myself a little push so that I can actually get on. And by doing that, you're making it a lot easier to start balancing, as it is easier to balance when you're moving, as you have more forward motion rather than side to side. And when you're practicing that side to side motion, you can use the wall as a guide just to kind of practice that, even if you're not necessarily moving. And just by doing that, you keep progressing and starting to move, and after a while you won't even need the wall. And that right there is literally all you need to know to ripstick. However, if it's still not working for you, there are a few things you may be doing wrong. The first common mistake people make is just using too much hip and not actually moving the ripstick. And what this can do is make it really hard to gain speed and balance. And the fix to this is really simple. Just use more leg and move your feet. Move the ripstick forward and backward, and that motion is going to make you start gaining speed. Another mistake people tend to make is not bending their knees enough and keeping their legs way too straight. And while you can still kind of move around with your legs like this, it's really hard to make turns without slipping out. And the fix to this is, of course, just bending your knees. And in that position, you're a lot more mobile and you can make way sharper turns, and you can just do a lot more on the ripstick. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, subscribe. Really, anything you can do will help us out a lot. And if you're confused, write a comment and we'll get back to you as fast as we can with an answer. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.